Apple just trolled everyone. Behold, it's here, the first actual real look at the iPhone 14 design, no renders or concepts or CAD images, the actual physical glimpse of the iPhone 14 lineup front and back. It took Apple 5 years to create this and it seems like people are not happy. I've been a bit lenient about my thoughts on the new design, saying that it's still an improvement over the notch, but let's be honest, it's such a little improvement that if you look at it for more than 5 minutes, it starts to look bad. This is what we initially expected, then it got to this, and then this, and this is the actual reality. We have never seen any company implement hole punch like this. I wish there was no gap between the holes. It would have been better if it was just one pill, but as we know, Apple, they have to stand out, and in the process of standing out, they've created something that doesn't really look that good. Now this new hole punch design is only coming to the Pro models. Now it's further confirmed as the regular 14 and the 14 Max are still rocking that same notch design one last time, just like last year's models. One good thing about the iPhone 14 design is that the overall bezels are reportedly thinner. According to the source of the leak, Apple will be going into mass production of these panels very soon, so these are very likely the final deal. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. It is an improvement, but it's a very little improvement from the notch. Looks like Apple will be second to Samsung when it comes to the front design of phones are concerned in 2022, just like they're second in the worldwide global sales. Yes, Canalys has released the smartphone sales for Q1 of 2022, and Samsung is once again topping the charts with the most shipment. While Apple is on the second number, they are the only brand on the list with a positive growth. That 8% growth increase is pretty evident on Apple's revenue. Yes, Apple continues to make big bucks as they have revealed their earnings report, which is just absolutely crazy. Look at $50 billion just coming from those iPhone sales. Mad. They may not have the best design, but they definitely know how to make the best money. Now looking at today's leak, Apple's design from the front will not gonna make anyone say wow, especially the competition, but the camera can. According to Mark Gurman, the iPhone 14 Pro models will exclusively feature a new 48 megapixel wide camera, while the regular models will continue to feature a 12 megapixel sensor. This is further confirmed because the cases of the iPhone 13 Pro series do not fit on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup because they have the bigger lenses. I'm still very excited to see the new camera and of course the new capabilities with the video performance that the iPhone 14 Pro family will bring. We're also gonna get even bigger batteries, so I'm really excited for all those core upgrades that we're gonna see on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup. But let me know what you think about the final design in the comment section below. I think Apple just trolled everyone, especially the people who waited 5 years for that design change from the notch. That's all the news. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.